Today is January 13, 2026. This is our first trade. Huwag kayo sumabay dito na trade, okay? Nag-partial entry lang ako. Ang tendency, it will depends sa result sa news, okay? So kung tataas pa, possible mag-hedge ako. Kaya niliitan ko lang yung lot size ko. ZK, do you buy now? I place a sell position. ZK. Okay, don't follow my trade. Don't copy my trade. Just wait. 9:30, there's a news. CPI. And that's a high impact news. So be careful. Bantayan nyo yung oil. Pwede rin kayo mag-invest sa oil. Silver mga idol. Pwede kayo mag-invest sa silver. Maghanap pa ako ng platform kung saan makakapag-invest sa silver. So if magkakaroon ng downside, ito yung price magnet natin or directional bias. Okay. Weekly, monthly, still bullish. We have a bullish fair value gap, continuation gap. Same with weekly. Okay. There's a continuation gap. So it's a bullish continuation gap. Then daily time frame, we have a order block, bullish order block overlapping with fair value gap. Okay, then continuation gap pa din, so there's a low chance na magkakaroon ng rebalancing dito, but we need to consider yung news, CPI. Okay, malaki yung impact ng CPI, but let's observe kung ano yung mangyayari 9:30. So if ever lang if ever na magkakaroon ng downsides, okay, kung magkakaroon ng selling, ito yung possible na pwede diyang balikan. So in technical basis, just to rebalance on what? Okay, there's a gap up, then order block, technical basis, continuation entry pattern. We have a order block overlapping with fair value gap. Now let's go down on 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, this one we have another gap up, this one. So continuation gap, indicating that the market is still bullish, but we need to think always na walang one-way market. Okay, magkakaroon talaga yan ng retracement. Okay, there's always a retracement. Walang one-way market. Yeah, bullish, but kung babalik tayo sa basic, meron namang higher low, higher high. Okay, so pag uptrend from higher high to higher low, that is retracement. So I believe there's always a retracement. So in technical basis, again, is need to rebalance something what, depende na sa inyo as a trader kung ano yung mga directional bias ninyo, ay ano yung mga point of interest ninyo, ano yung mga entry pattern ninyo, diba? Magkakaiba naman tayo ng strategy, but hindi ko sinasabi na perfect yung strategy ko. Okay, what I'm trying to say is sundin nyo yung rules nyo as a trader. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple.